Everybody, a massive welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a hair system video for quite a while, so I thought I would do a video. I know I have a lot of subscribers that have subscribed to my channel due to my hair system videos previously, so I thought I'd do another video because I've ordered a new system. Those who do watch my channel regarding my hair system videos, you guys know that I actually do it myself at home because it can be pretty expensive in the salon. So this video is just going to be basically what I do from start to finish. I do actually cut the system myself, but I'm not actually going to film that part due to in case it goes wrong, and I'm not a professional when it comes to cutting hair, so I don't want to watch and follow that anyway. So I show you what the system is. Now, me doing previous hair system videos, I've had a lot of emails from overseas people with questions, and it's so nice to get these questions, and it's just, I'm so grateful because I've seen some of your comments and a lot of people who also have hair system videos who have just mentioned me in them, like supporting them. It's just, I'm just so grateful.
Into it was just guys saying, I'm so happy I did this, you know, from Jake Kent to Danny in the UK to Curtis at my hair experience there.
So I should actually be, I'm so sorry if the camera's shaking, it's just because I'm holding my arm up. So anyway, it's just so nice that I can, you know, do these kind of videos for those kind of people that are struggling out there regarding hair systems, because it took me quite a while for me to decide to get a hair system because it's actually a big thing. Anyway, and I know a lot of people get embarrassed by it, but I personally don't. Anything to enhance an appearance, do it. So like I said, I have been offered so many sponsorships from companies who wants to send me hair systems, but I personally have turned them down because I feel pressured to promote their systems, and yeah, I just feel pressured doing it. So anyway, I'll show you. I purchased mine off of eBay or Amazon, and I know when you do it from your home, then the colour match, you have to be quite, basically I prefer myself light, and they don't do many systems, just sort of hands, they don't do many systems with light mousy kind of coloured hair. A lot of systems that you order offline are either the colours that they offer are even in black, dark black, or like a very dark brown. So the one I've purchased today is from a company. I'm not going to promote them actually. They sent it in this little bag, and this was from Amazon, and this cost me in pounds £168. But I'm not going to promote their name, but it has come in this really nice silk little bag. Like I said, it's from Amazon, and it only took 2 days to arrive, so it's £168 with delivery. So the next part of this video, guys, maybe girls, you'll kind of see me just shaping the system, cutting the system, and possibly maybe dyeing the system, because I'm going to try and take it a little bit lighter. This is my current hair. It's had its day. It's so flat, so dry. I just need a new one, something a bit more fresher. So anyway, I'm not going to ramble on anymore, everybody. If you are new to my channel and this is your kind of thing, maybe not, hit my subscribe button. So I actually forgot to show you what the system actually looks like when it arrives. So I'll take it out of the bag. It does actually come in like a netting, so I've took that out already just to speed up the video, and I'm using one hand, so I apologise. So that's your system. That's how they arrive, brand new. It looks very light on camera, but it's a very dark brown. Let's try and, yeah, so that's actually the actual colour of what it looks like, but in the light on camera it looks a lot lighter than what it is. But the that's the base underneath. I always go for a skin base, sorry. That's the front of the system here. That's where you're going to, like, you're going to cut here. I did make the mistake when I first started in putting the guide of my head in the middle, but you need to put the guide as close as possible to get the hairline as natural looking as possible. Anyway, I always use a skin base because I just find it a lot easier to clean and cut. Never do the French lace. It does look more natural, French lace, but I do prefer the skin. And you got a bit more leeway in case you cut it wrong because they kind of stretch also. So that is pretty much the system, brand new and fresh when you actually get the system. So in the next part you'll see me cutting the base in the next part of the video. So this is what I use. I use a polystyrene head. Now you can get these off eBay for about £8. So this is what I use. I'm not going to show you myself cutting the actual hair because, like I said, I'm not actually a pro. So this is my old system. So I'm going to get it as see how dry and bad it is now. I'm going to try and get it as close as possible to this cut here. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. As you can see, it's a lot darker, so I might have to try and lift it to a bit of a browny kind of colour. So that is pretty much it, and all I've done is just pinned it on with some safety pins. It's just obviously a lot easier to cut so it doesn't actually come off. So I just want to say I'm going to actually show you kind of a tiny little bit of what I look like without my hair system. The hair system itself is currently developing the dye. So because the system is coated with like a silicone, like a plastic silicone, it would take a lot longer than any other normal hair for it to dye because it has to obviously get through to the silicone. So this is kind of what I look like. bald basically. I do actually have hair, and I know a lot of people are like, my friends anyway, are like, just grow it, just shave it, you know. I actually do suit a shaved head, but I do actually just like a bit of hair. So what I need to do is just shave this. As you can see, I've got the old man sides here, so the system will go on top, and then it should all blend in. So that is pretty much what I look like without a hair system. And I do actually have quite a bit of hair, and I probably could get away with growing it again, but like I said, I actually just like that full hair effect look. So pretty much the end result, everybody. It is just more fresher, much more alive, and the choppiness is what I actually kind of wanted, and I wanted a bit of a fringe going on. The only little bit of issue I had was obviously dyeing the hair, trying to lift it a lot lighter to what it was, because it's got, like I said, the silicone on it. It's going to take a while for it to lift, so you just have to keep doing that, but I just didn't have time because I wanted to get this video up and running. Like I said, any questions, I'm probably not going to add any comments into this video, so I will attach my email address in the description box also, and if you want to follow me on my social media, which is Instagram, at Daniel MJ Evans, drop me a message over there and I'd always happily get back to you. So a big difference here from a system, from me being bald with no system to to having a system. It's just a big more difference, and I do actually prefer this. So but thank you so much to everybody that has watched this video, and remember, any questions, drop me a question, don't be ashamed. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I'll catch you in my next video.